Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shiksha Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. This is subject math and this is chapter 2. This is second chapter. This time we have started revision of this chapter. This is second day on this chapter, revision. And in revision we have to solve numerical problems. This time we have to solve exercise 2.2. Basic concepts we have already studied. Here on the basis of those concepts which we have already studied, we have to solve some problems. First question is fill in the blanks. Here 0 plus 815, we have to fill in the blank. This is the blank space. Here what memorize one property, the additive identity. We have already read additive identity. Additive identity means 0 is a number by adding which any number remains the same. 0 is the additive identity. 0 plus 5, this is 5. 0 plus 9, this is equal to 9. 0 is the additive identity. Here also 0 plus 815 and that is equal to 815. Which property has used? Additive identity, 0. Second question is 289 multiplied by 0. What will be the answer? This is the property of 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Here 289 will be multiplied by 0. The product will be 0. Second question is 8357 multiplied by 1. Then again memorize one property, multiplicative identity. One property was multiplicative identity. It means when any number, whole number or natural number will be multiplied by 1, the number will remain same. Suppose 625 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 625. 15 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 15. Here 1 is the multiplicative identity. By multiplying 1, the number will remain the same. Here also the same property has used. 8357 multiplied by 1. This is answer is 8357. In question 1, there are many other questions of the same type. You have to solve these questions on yourself. I am solving few questions. Question number 2. Second question is find the sum. Here one question has given 5409 plus 112. These two numbers has given within a bracket. Then plus 59. Here which property we have to use? We have to solve first within the small brackets. If two or more numbers are given within a small bracket, that all number must be converted into a single number. First we shall solve it, then we shall add the number which is outside the bracket. And when we shall add these two numbers, this is equal to 5529. Then we shall add 59. The answer is 5580. Now question number 3. Third question is find the sum of the greatest and the smallest number of 4 digits. And one thing again memorize, we can write largest number or greatest number and smallest number. How we write largest number or greatest number? We write greatest number by using 9. If we have to write greatest number of 3 digits, then we shall write 999. This is the greatest number of 3 digits. If we have to write a smallest number of 3 digits, then what we shall write? To write the smallest number, we shall write 1 and then we shall put 0. This is the smallest number of 3 digits. Here we have to write the greatest number of 4 digits. It means we shall write 9 4 times. That is 9999. And the smallest number of 4 digits, that is 1000. We have to add, we have to find the sum. This sum is 10,999. Next question number 4. Question number 4 is multiply by a suitable arrangement. Here we have to multiply 4 numbers have given. 4 numbers are given and we have to multiply. And these numbers are 15, 8, 40 and 225. We can multiply in any order. There is no any problem. Answer will be the same. But here we have to make some suitable arrangement. And here suitable arrangement means we have to arrange in such a manner that the multiplication may be some easier. To make the multiplication easier, we have to make some particular arrangement. Here what we can do, if 8 will be multiplied by 25, 225 multiplied by 8, then it will be equal to 1800. It will be a number with 0 at unit and 100 place. Then again multiplication will be easier. Then we have arranged 225 multiplied by 8 and then 15 multiplied by 40. This is equal to 1800 and this is equal to 600. Now we have to multiply 1800 and 600. How we can do it? To multiply this type of number, what we shall do? Suppose we have to write 35000 multiplied by 2. Then simply there is 35 number parts and 2 is number. 35 will be multiplied by 2. This is equal to 5 to the 0, 1, 3 to the 7. And then we shall put 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. We shall multiply the number and then we shall put 0. If there will be 1 0, 2 0, then this 0 will be also written here. In this way we shall multiply. Here 18 will be multiplied by 6, that is 108. And then 2 0 is here and 2 0 is here. 4 0 will be put. This is the answer. 10,80,000. This is the answer. We have made the suitable arrangement and then we have multiplied it. Question number 5 is find the value of x. Here what has given? 7 multiplied by 4 plus x multiplied by 3. This is equal to 7 multiplied by 4 plus 6. Here we have to find out the value of x. First, to find the value of x, we shall expand the right hand side. And how we shall expand the right hand side? Here we shall apply the property of property of multiplication over addition. For example, a multiplied by b plus c, and we can write how we can expand it. Here is the sign of multiplication before bracket. If there is no any sign, it means there is a sign of multiplication. Here a will be multiplied by b, a into b, then put the sign of plus. A has multiplied by b, now a will be multiplied by c. Put here plus and then a into c. This is the distributive law of multiplication over addition. In the same way we shall do multiplication. 7 multiplied by 4 plus 7 multiplied by 6. Now since we have to find the value of x, here 7 multiplied by 4 is on the left side also, 7 multiplied by 4 is on the right side also. So let it leave. It will be cancelled. One thing must be clear. This question can be solved in different way, but here we are trying a very simple way. Now what will remain? Here is the x plus 3 on the left side, x plus 3 on the right side. What is left? 7 multiplied by 6. X multiplied by 3 and here 7 multiplied by 6. Again write here x multiplied by 3 and 7 multiplied by 6 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2. Now x multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 is here, so put 3 here, and 7 will be multiplied by 2, 14. X multiplied by 3, this is equal to 14 multiplied by 3. Now 3 is here also and 3 is here also. Now what will remain? X is equal to 14. The value of x is 14. Now last question is simplify. 999 multiplied by 593 plus 593. Here how we shall multiply? Here we can write 593 can be written as 593 multiplied by 1. Because if we shall write 8 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 8. 205 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 205. We can write here 593 is equal to 593 multiplied by 1. Now what we are seeing, 593 is here also and 593 is here also. We shall take it common. 593 will be taken common. Then what is left here? 999 is left here and 1 is left here. Then 593 we have taken common. Now write 999, then this plus and then this 1. This is equal to 593 multiplied by 1000. Here 999 plus 1, this is equal to 1000. And when it will be multiplied, simply 593 multiplied by 1. We have written 593. And then there are 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. We shall put 3 zeros, 5,93,000. This is the answer. There is one last question. Question number 8. This is simplify. Simplify 999 divided by, in bracket, 1183 divided by 1183. Here what we are seeing, if any number will be divided by the same number by itself, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. If we shall divide 25 divided by 25, this is equal to 1. In the same way, here what we are seeing, this will be equal to 1. 1183 divided by 1183. This is equal to 1. Now 999 divided by 1 is equal to 999. And second property of division is, if any number is divided by 1, the quotient will be same. 245 divided by 1. This is equal to 245. And here 999 divided by 1. This is equal to 999. We have solved all the questions of exercise 2.2. 1 or 2 questions are left. We shall solve later on. And then at the same time we shall start exercise 2.3. Now you must revise all these questions from 1 of exercise 2.2. Thanks.